Hello everyone, this is an introduction to tree cutting, and during the 3 videos in this tutorial series we will add a logic to be able to cut trees, and we will not add an animation for recutting, we will not add an equipment, but we will add whole logic that is related to a tree. So we will be able to hit a tree, it will change its trunk like this. We will also see some Niagara effect here. Also, right after it will be cut it down, it will fall. We will also make a stump and a trunk from a mesh of a tree using Unreal modeling system with just plain cut, and we will be able to cut a trunk and collect a wood like this. So, hope you will enjoy this tutorial series.